What's the meaning of atomic spectrum? Atomic spectrum. Atomic spectrum.
Atomic spectrum. Atomic spectrum. An atomic spectrum refers to the unique set of spectral lines produced when an atom is excited and then returns to its ground state. These spectral lines can be used to identify the chemical element of the atom and determine its properties. The pattern of spectral lines is determined by the specific energy levels and transitions between them in the atom's electronic configuration. By analyzing the atomic spectrum, scientists can gain a better understanding of the properties of atoms, which is vital in fields such as chemistry, physics, and astronomy.